Hi everyone, I'm AE86 and I have an announcement to make today. We have to say goodbye to Mr. Hachi, unfortunately. Not because that I'm selling the car, I'm actually sending it to do a complete makeover, full restoration from zero to hero. So I will be making videos and covering the whole progress of this restoration through a series of vlogs. And in this first vlog, I'll be talking a bit about my car and let's check it out. To those of you who have been following Hachi86, thank you very much. This is Mr. Hachi, as you all might already know. This is actually my first car, which I bought in year 2015. It was originally a Levin Zenki, but red color one, but the previous owner has painted to white and make it to this Koki spec Trueno. Special on Hachi86 car is the Watanabe wheels. You can see here 7.5J 14-inch Watanabe wheels with this black side mold to imitate the AE86 look. Yeah, I think I'm the only one in Malaysia who is rocking this this style of color. Black bonnet with black side mold and black Watanabe wheels. So this is a really cool color. Yeah, but still people get confused with my car and other people's car because of the color and all. For your information, this is the only AE86 in Malaysia that has all the Malaysia AE86 gathering stickers. Yeah, this is a really cool, unique point for Mr. Hachi. Yes, I really enjoy driving this AE86 to car events. You know, to Toge. It's a really fun car to drive despite being slow and all. And the journey with this car has been really fun this past 4 years. Meeting a lot of new AE86 owner, and also be really thankful of people coming by to say hi to this car and showing their love for AE86. You know, these are the friendships that we make throughout this journey of owning this cute little Trueno. And now is definitely the time to do a complete makeover, restoring it. And I'm going to share with you the imperfections and areas that I have to improve in order to make this car better. Yeah. For the exterior, I'll be doing Zenki look, and interior I will keep Koki GT Apex. And first point before I talk about rust is the fender. Yes, this fender is actually already rolled. As you can see, this is actually the original arch of the bumper. It should flow along with this fender, but yeah, previous owner has rolled it up to fit a wider wheels. Hence, you can see this very curved shape fender. And same goes for the back. Yeah, it also has some cement filling at the back here, so we probably gonna cut it open and to mold it back the shape so you can get the actual arch effect. Yeah. For rust, let me show you guys some of the area. You can see around the door area, you can see some lines here, and this huge pop-up here. Yeah, this is like I think this area is all rusted, and this door hinge area you can see, yeah, water seeps through, and I think there is rust building up this area as well. We definitely got to strip out everything to see what is inside this and whether we need to do more work on the rust or not. Yeah, this is the problem with old cars like this. So yeah, rust just comes and you need to get that sorted out. Let me show you guys at the trunk side. There's also rust at this area. I think you can see, yeah, this area, water likes to stay around here, and this bubble thing popping up. This was signs of rust. Yeah, and here as well. Yeah, here and here. The trunk, you can see rust are building up as well, so we're gonna get it fixed. Yeah, basically. For the interior, I like it in black very much, but I'm not a big fan of this bright cloth door card, so that got to go. That got to change with original GT Apex Koki. And the seats also, it has hole here, and there is crack on the dashboard, like most of the AE86 owners, because this happened because of the weather And but I'm okay with it because I have RW Nakai-san's sign here, and I have some other signs as well in this glove box. I have Kawabata-san, I have Taniguchi, I have Fujino, I have Akira Ida, I have Tech Arts Kamata-san here as well. So hopefully I'll keep the condition as it is, like this. Maybe, yeah, this radio's gotta go. These are all junk. Today I get Sucha-san to sign here. Hopefully he will come to Malaysia and sign on this car himself. Hopefully. And for the back, I have taken out some of the parts, so it reveals the condition of the car a bit. It's a bit dusty and all, so that gotta go. They gotta fix. And yeah, that's about it on the interior point of view. That's it about my AE86. The restoration will take place next week, and I'm still in the midst of finding out AE86 and key parts. And if you do have any, please do let me know. I'm not so sure how long the restoration will take. Maybe 6 months, 8 months, 1 year. I'm not so sure because we'll be taking it very slow. Make sure everything is taken care of. The rust has completely gone. Please stay tuned and join my journey in restoring this AE86. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you. See you, Mr. Hachi. Take care, and thank you. See you. Bye.